Today we're taking a tour of Universal Orlando's Aventura Hotel on this edition of Traveling Joe. Hello everybody, it's Traveling Joe, and welcome to our new series on the hotels at Universal Orlando. Today we're taking a look at the Aventura Hotel. The Aventura is considered one of Universal's prime value hotels. It's an affordable escape that fits most budgets. If you're enjoying our videos, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell. Let's get our tour started. If you have a vehicle, there's a parking garage adjacent to the hotel. The charge is $18 per day. This price does not include tax. Like all Universal resorts, the Aventura offers complimentary bus shuttles to and from the theme parks. Stick around to the end of the video and I'll show you another way to get to the parks that's a lot more fun. As soon as you enter the hotel, you'll go right to the lobby and the registration desk will be on your left. Check-in is at 4 p.m. and check-out is at 11 a.m., but you may be able to get in a little earlier depending on how crowded the hotel is. Right next to the registration desk is Universal Studios Store. The Universal Studios Store has the same merchandise that you'll find at the theme parks. This is a great way to go shopping without having to fight the larger crowds at the parks. As you continue through the lobby, you'll come to Bar Ventura. Bar Ventura is a contemporary lobby bar and is open daily from 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. Just beyond the bar is Urban Pantry. Urban Pantry is a large food hall which offers a variety of dining options. The area offers plenty of seating and is open from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. daily. The first stop in Urban Pantry is Starbucks. You can find a Starbucks in all of the hotels at Universal Orlando. There are 4 different food stations to choose from in Urban Pantry. You can enjoy Asian food at Wok. Wok serves bowls and sushi. The pizza station serves a variety of pizzas, all made fresh to order. Desserts like gelato are available right next door. Roast offers a variety of hamburgers to choose from, as well as chicken wings, and grab and go. Beer and wine are served at most of the food stations, and there's also a kids menu. Right outside of Urban Pantry, you'll find the Aventura's pool deck. The Aventura pool deck has a sleek style and a modern feel to it. The pool wraps around one side of the hotel, and is definitely geared toward adults. However, kids will still enjoy this beautiful pool. This is a great place to soak up the sun and cool off. Lifeguards are on duty daily, and there are plenty of lounge chairs to choose from. In fact, I never had a problem getting a chair during my stay here. If you want a break from the parks, this is a great place to spend an afternoon. Towels are provided and are self-serve, so you don't have to wait in line to sign out for a towel. Right in the middle of the pool deck, you'll find Bar Soul. This is a great place to sit back, relax, and have a nice cocktail during a warm afternoon. The bar offers beer, wine, and cocktails, and is open from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. Also on the pool deck, you'll find a splash zone. This is an area where younger kids can really enjoy. And finally on the pool deck, you'll find a game area, where both kids and adults can enjoy. Here you'll find ping pong, bubble hockey, air hockey, basketball, and other games to enjoy. Okay, that takes care of the first floor. Let's head up the elevator to floor number 2. My room was located on the 2nd floor, but before we take a look at it, let's check out the fitness center, also located on this floor. The fitness center is complimentary and offers state-of-the-art equipment. Here you'll find treadmills, elliptical bikes, and more. This is a great way to stay in shape even while you're on vacation. Early morning hours tend to be the busiest, but you should never have any problems finding a machine. Okay, let's take a look at my room. The rooms at the Aventura are definitely modern and sleek. They feature floor-to-ceiling windows and an open floor plan. There are only 600 rooms at the Aventura, which makes it the smallest of all the hotels at Universal. The standard rooms are about 315 square feet. And while the hotel may be small in size, the rooms are big on features. Rooms come with a flat-screen TV, a large desk, and a charging station. The bathrooms feature a separate outside vanity and sink. This is very useful, especially for couples traveling. Plenty of towels are supplied, and there's a hairdryer as well. The bathroom has a shower but no tub. The shower features glass doors and offers shampoos and conditioners. Bath soap is also provided, and the room is a pretty decent size. Along the wall as you enter, you'll find a large wardrobe. The wardrobe offers extra bedding, hangers, iron board, and a suitcase rack. And right next to that, you'll find your in-room safe, coffee maker, and a mini refrigerator. The Aventura prides itself on being a high-tech hotel. Each room contains a tablet. Here you can perform a variety of tasks, including ordering room service, changing the room's temperature, TV, internet, and checking your bills. Although I was only on the second floor, I did have a nice view of the pool deck and the cabana bay in the distance. My room rate was $125 per night midweek as a Florida resident. Rates can vary greatly, so be sure to check around. Okay, let's take the elevator up. Our next stop is Bar 17 Bistro, located at the top of the hotel. Bar 17 Bistro is a full-service bar and offers food. The menu features both Florida and international flavors. But the star of this place is the spectacular view. The bar is open from 5 p.m. daily and closes around midnight or 1 a.m. And just adjacent to Bar 17 Bistro, you'll find a large seating area, which features tables, sofas, and chairs. This is a great place to meet up with friends and relax with a nice cool drink, all while enjoying some really spectacular views. Here you'll get a great view of both Islands of Adventure and Universal, as well as Volcano Bay and the nearby Cabana Bay Hotel. This place can get crowded, so come early and enjoy their specials. While Bar 17 may be the most popular night spot, there are other things to do at night as well. Head over to the pool deck and enjoy an outdoor fire pit, which is a great place to relax at the end of a day. And on select evenings, the hotel offers movie nights at the pool. This is great fun for the entire family. Okay, earlier in the video I mentioned an alternative way to get to the parks beside the shuttle bus. Right next door to Aventura Hotel is Sapphire Falls Hotel. Here you could take the complimentary water taxi. On the right side of the lobby is an entrance to a stone spiral staircase. You could take this beautiful stone staircase all the way down to the ground floor. Or you could take the elevators, which are located in the lobby as well. But if you don't mind walking, I would definitely suggest the staircase. At the ground floor, you'll see the sign to the water taxi. The water taxis are complimentary and are available to all guests staying at any resort hotel. It's about a short 10-minute ride to either one of the parks. Be advised that you'll have to pass through security at the station, but you won't have to do it again when you get to the other side. The taxis usually run about 30 minutes prior to the park openings and go until about 2 a.m. They also run approximately every 15 minutes. They drop you off at City Walk, which is a short walk to any of the two parks. Of course, if you don't want to take the water taxi or the shuttle bus, or even drive your own vehicle, you can walk. There's a dedicated walk path that runs along the water, and it takes about 20 minutes. I hope you've enjoyed our tour of Universal's Aventura Hotel. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to subscribe and feel free to leave a comment below. This is Travelin' Joe saying thanks again, and we'll see you on our next video.